129 species in genus Emilia. Emilia, a brush with beauty. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to the vibrant colors and delicate forms of wildflowers. Among my favorites is the Emilia genus, a group of flowering plants that belong to the sunflower family, Asteraceae. These charming plants, often referred to as tassel flowers or polleli, boast a captivating beauty that has fascinated botanists and nature enthusiasts alike. A diverse genus. The Emilia genus encompasses a wide array of species, each with its unique characteristics. Emilia sonquifolia, lilac tassel flower. This species is known for its clusters of small, fluffy flower heads that range in color from pink to purple. It's a common sight in many parts of the world, often found growing in disturbed areas and roadsides. Emilia coccinea, scarlet tassel flower. As its name suggests, this species is characterized by its striking scarlet flower heads. It's a popular ornamental plant, adding a splash of vibrant color to gardens and landscapes. Emilia fosbergii, Florida tassel flower. This species is native to Florida and is distinguished by its bright red flower heads and deeply lobed leaves. It's a relatively rare species, found primarily in pinelands and scrub habitats. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Morphological marvels. One of the most distinctive features of Emilia plants is their inflorescence, which consists of numerous small flower heads clustered together. Each flower head is composed of many tiny individual flowers, known as florets. These florets are typically tubular in shape and come in a variety of colors, including pink, purple, red, orange, and yellow. The leaves of Emilia plants are equally fascinating. They are typically arranged alternately along the stem and can vary in shape from simple and lanceolate to deeply lobed. The leaves are often covered in fine hairs, giving them a soft, velvety texture. Ecological significance. Emilia plants play a vital role in their ecosystems. They are an important source of nectar and pollen for a variety of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and moths. The seeds of Emilia plants are also a food source for birds and small mammals. In some cultures, Emilia plants have traditional medicinal uses. For example, Emilia sonquifolia has been used in traditional Chinese medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including fever, cough, and sore throat. A personal connection. My fascination with Emilia plants began in my childhood, when I would spend hours exploring the fields and meadows near my home. I was always captivated by the vibrant colors and delicate forms of these wildflowers. As I grew older, my interest in Emilia plants deepened. I began to study their morphology, ecology, and cultural significance. I was amazed by the diversity of this genus and the important role it plays in the natural world. Today, I continue to be fascinated by Emilia plants. I enjoy growing them in my garden and observing their intricate beauty. I also appreciate their ecological importance and their potential for medicinal use. A call for conservation. Despite their beauty and ecological significance, Emilia plants are facing a number of threats. Habitat loss due to urbanization and agriculture is a major concern. Invasive species are also a threat, as they can outcompete native Emilia plants for resources. It is important that we take steps to conserve Emilia plants and their habitats. This can be done through a variety of measures, including habitat restoration, invasive species control, and public education. I believe that Emilia plants are a valuable part of our natural heritage. They deserve our protection and appreciation.